Hello and welcome to Hopper's step-by-step tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a permanent token to complete Hopper's installation. For that you'll need to go to Business Settings, select your business account. Below Users, click System Users and choose Admin. Click on Generate New Permanent Token. Select the number. Under Expiration, choose Never. Under Permissions, choose WhatsApp Business Management, WhatsApp Business Messaging and Business Management. And then click on Generate Token. Meta requires a second-person review, so you'll need to ask another admin to grant you access. Once this is done, click on Generate Token, copy the token and paste it under User Access Token on Hopper Admin on Salesforce. And that's it. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and never miss an update.